Hello everyone and welcome to my giveaway drawing. I just wanted to mention that I should have been more clear on how to enter for these kits in the comment section, because there were instances where I wasn't sure whether the person was making a general comment or wanted to be entered for a particular kit. In those instances, I responded to clarify, and there was one instance where a comment appeared briefly on the notifications and then disappeared. I couldn't call the comment back up or see the comment in the video. That person did leave an email, so I tried reaching out to them. So anytime there was any ambiguity or was unclear, I tried reaching out to the individual. If they did not respond, they were not added to the list. So let's go ahead with the first kit, Kit A, 37 Ford with trailer. There was 12 people who were interested in winning this kit. So 1 through 12, let's spin the wheel, see who we get. We have number 11, Mike from Mike's Miniature. Congratulations, Mike, on winning the 37 Ford convertible with trailer. Next, we have Kit B, the NASCAR. Let's change the parameters. There were 5 people who were interested in that. So let's change the wheel to 5. Let's spin it, see who we get. We have number 2, Tim from Throttle Power. Congratulations on winning the NASCAR. And the last kit we have is Kit C, the 62 Catalina 421 Super Duty. So I'll have to change the parameter on that. There were 8 people who were interested. Let's change it to 8. It's a long delay on that. So there's 8 numbers. Spin the wheel and see who we get. And the winner is number 5, Rick, Down the Throat Modeling. Congratulations, Rick. So congratulations to all our winners. Okay, so I believe I have Mike and Tim's address, but I do not have Rick, your address. So just reach out to me in the description. I will have my email address. Just let me know your address and I will send it out to you. I'm going to try to send it out today, but if not, then it'll probably be Thursday because I'll be busy Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So Rick, just reach out to me with your address, okay? So congratulations to all the winners, Mike, Tim, and Rick. Hope you guys had fun. I enjoyed your participation and look forward to doing one very soon. Thanks.